Hello. Good afternoon, students. Last class we discussed about the importance of agriculture in India. Okay, agricultural development is a precondition for the economic development of the country or national prosperity. So last class we discussed about the importance of agriculture. Now we are going to study about the features of Indian agriculture. The features. The features of So what are the basic features? What are the characteristic features of the Indian agriculture? So now we are going to study about what are the characteristic features of Indian agriculture. Okay, so first point, Indian agriculture is mostly rain-fed. Mostly rain-fed. So Indian agriculture mostly depend on monsoon. Okay, agriculture, Indian agriculture particularly depends on monsoon rainfall. So it is said that agriculture is the gamble of monsoon. Agriculture is the gamble of monsoon. So monsoon plays an important role in the agriculture of our country. Monsoon rainfall. If the rainfall is very good or there is a good amount of rainfall, then agriculture thrives. Agriculture improves. So we can see the rise of agricultural production in the country. Okay. So agriculture, Indian agriculture is the gamble of monsoon. It plays with the monsoon. So monsoon plays an important role in the Indian agriculture. If monsoon fails, suppose in a particular year, monsoon fails, it will affect the agricultural production in our country. Because our Indian farmers totally depend on monsoon rainfall. So rainfall is the natural supply of water. Rainfall is the natural supply of water. So Indian farmers depend on monsoon rainfall. So therefore we say here. So Indian agriculture is mostly rain-fed. There is no sufficient rain. and it is a gamble of monsoon. Monsoon determines the production, the agricultural production in India. Monsoon determines the agricultural production in India. This is the first point. Next, second point. Now we are discussing about what are the characteristic features of Indian agriculture. Next, small size of land holding. Students, what do you mean by this land holding? Small size of land holding. The size of our land are very small size. Understood? That is the size of the land holding. Our agricultural lands are very small size. Okay? So our agricultural lands are very small. Okay? This is the most important feature of Indian agriculture. If we go to America and other European countries, their agricultural lands are big. Their agricultural lands are very big. Okay? So production also differs. Production also differs from land to land. Okay? So our size of land holding is very small and Indian farmers are unable to adopt or use the new techniques, the new methods of farming in their small land holding. But you see the farmers in the European countries and in America, so they can use the modern techniques, they can use the modern technology in agriculture. So I will give an example. So generally, Indian lands, the size of the land is very small, and we cannot move the tractor inside the land. We cannot move the tractor. Tractor cannot move inside the land. So here, small size of land holding. So we are unable to adopt the new methods, new techniques, and new technology. Okay, that is the most important feature of Indian agriculture. Small size of land holding. It also affects our production. It also decreases our production. If we cannot use the modern techniques, modern methods, then automatically our production will be reduced. Our production will be very low. Second point. Third point. Okay. Indian agriculture is highly traditional. Very important point. Indian agriculture is highly traditional, subsistent. Indian agriculture is highly traditional, subsistent, whole grain oriented. Movement oriented and less mechanized. And students, this is the most important feature of Indian agriculture. Very, very important. Indian agriculture is highly traditional. What is the meaning of traditional? Old, ancient, subsistent. So, why Indian agriculture is traditional because our farmers use traditional methods, the old methods, the ancient technology, the old technology in agriculture. Next, what is the meaning of subsistent? Subsistent means, so the Indian farmers, whatever they produce, that is used for their self-consumption. That is sufficient for their self-consumption, for their use. So there is no surplus production. There is no surplus production to sell in the market. So therefore, Indian agriculture is subsistent. Subsistent meaning is it is used for self-consumption. So Indian agriculture is just hand to mouth. That's what. Indian agriculture is just hand to mouth. There will be no surplus production. There is no overproduction. So Indian farmers are unable to sell in the market. So it is consumption-oriented product. There will be no surplus product, no surplus food grains to sell in the market. So therefore we say that it is subsistent. Okay? Next, food grain oriented. Indian agriculture is food grain oriented. Agricultural products are two types. One is food grains, another is non-food grains. Food grains, paddy, rice, wheat, bajra, jawar, these are called as the food grains. So Indian farmers, they produce more food grains than non-food grains. Indian farmers, they produce more food grains than non-food grains. So our agriculture is food grain oriented agriculture, food grain based agriculture, food grain based agriculture. Next, less mechanized. What is the meaning of less mechanized? So machines are not used in Indian agriculture. Machines are not used in agriculture. So low application of technology. There is low application or no application of technology in agriculture. So there is a lack of application of science and technology in agriculture. So here what is written? Less mechanized. Indian agriculture is less mechanized. Machines are not used. Indian farmers are not using the modern technology. The tractors, the power tillers, the harvest machines, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides in their field, in their agricultural field. Okay, so this is the most important feature of Indian agriculture. Next, fourth point. Fourth point is our productivity, average productivity. Average productivity is low. If we see the Indian agricultural production, it is very low. Average productivity is low. So Indian farmers are poor. Due to this, so Indian farmers are poor. Their income is low. Their standard of living is low. Low standard of living. Due to this, production is low. Average productivity is low. Now here there is a question. Why the average productivity or the agricultural production is low in India? Because Indian agriculture is facing many problems. Indian agriculture is facing many problems. So the agricultural production is very low in our country in comparison to other countries. In comparison to other countries. If we go to America, in 1 acre of land, the American farmers, take an example. I am giving an example, a comparative view of the analysis between agriculture in America and agriculture in India. In 1 acre of land, the American farmers, they produce 100 quintals of wheat. But the same 1 acre of land, the Indian farmers, they produce 40 quintals of wheat. 40. Same, the size of land is same. But American farmers produce more than the Indian farmers. Because, so, their agriculture is mechanized. They apply the modern science and technology in agriculture. Indian farmers adopt old methods, traditional methods, traditional techniques. So, our production is very low. Okay, next. 50 point. One third of the total crop area is cultivated with irrigation. Okay. So 1/3 of the total crop area is cultivated with the irrigation. So this irrigation facility is not available to the total cultivated area in India. Only 1/3 portion of total crop area is cultivated with the irrigation. This irrigation facility is not available to all the agricultural lands on the fields in India. Okay, so these are called as the features of Indian agriculture. Indian agriculture is mostly rain-fed, depends on monsoon rainfall. The size of land holding is very small in India. Indian agriculture is highly traditional, subsistent, food grain oriented, and less mechanized. Average productivity is very low. 1/3 of the total crop area is cultivated with the irrigation. So these are called as the most important feature of the Indian agriculture. Okay, students. So today, we have completed the introduction part of agriculture. Define agriculture, what is the definition, importance of agriculture, and the characteristic features of Indian agriculture. So this part, we have completed today. So the introduction part. In the next class, we are going to discuss about different agricultural practices, or different agricultural methods, or you can say different types of farming. Different types of agriculture. So we will discuss in the next class. So thank you, students. Thank you.